Today, I'm going to create this player profile animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. First, change the background color to vibrant yellow. Go to Elements. Add a shape. Change the shape color to blue. Resize the shape. Add a text. Write the player's name. Change the text color to white. Change the font to Anton. All the text will be uppercase. Change the last name text color to vibrant yellow. Add a text again. Write the player info. Change the font to Poppins. All that should be uppercase. Change the alignment to the left. Duplicate this text. Write another information like runs or goals. Change the text color to black. Go to Effects. Select Background. Roundness and spread will be 10. Color will be vibrant yellow. Duplicate this text and write another detail. Duplicate this text. Again, duplicate this text. Select all and make it a group. Drag it to the bottom of the page to hide the text. Add a text. Change the font to Anton with uppercase. Go to Elements and a cricketer logo. You will use your own logo there. Add a frame. Corner roundness 10 and stroke weight 5. Color will be white. Duplicate it 2 times. Go to the position and make sure frame layers are above the blue shape. Upload the player images. Drag all of them to the frame. Duplicate the page. Decrease the logo size and set it to the corner. This text will move to the upper side. Drag the shape to the middle of the page to visible all the text. Pick one of the player images and make it bigger. Adjust the position of the rested frame images. Duplicate the page. Drag the next image back to the main player frame. Change the main image size and place it in the previous image position. Double-click on the text and change the information according to the main middle image player. Change the text to left alignment. Change the last name text color as before. Ungroup the elements if needed and make it a group again if you want. First player image position should be the last place. Again, duplicate the page. Do the same thing as before. Click here to add the match and move transition and apply between all pages. Page timing 3 seconds and apply to all pages. Here is the final result. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.